Ever tried checking 2 time zones on your phone and ended up checking Instagram instead? Yeah, same. That's exactly why watches like this exist. Simple, tough, and zero notifications to ruin your productivity. So you're probably searching for a rugged GMT watch that actually works for everyday life, not just pilots or watch collectors. I went digging and here's what stood out about the Promaster Land GMT from Citizen. First thing, this watch feels purpose-built. The 39.5mm stainless steel case hits that sweet spot, solid and masculine but not dinner plate huge. The fixed 24-hour bezel keeps the GMT function clear and readable without looking busy. The crown at 6 o'clock is a nice touch too. It keeps the watch visually balanced and more comfortable on the wrist. Small detail, big everyday difference. You get bold white numerals, thick indices, and a bright yellow arrow GMT hand that's ridiculously easy to spot. Translation, you won't be squinting at this thing in a taxi, airport, or half awake Monday morning. The textured dial, inspired by a rocky terrain, adds character. The darker red version looks especially strong and pairs nicely with the steel case, while the blue option is brighter and sportier either way. Readability clearly comes first here. Inside is Citizen's Eco Drive light powered movement, which means no battery swaps. Just wear it, expose it to light, and it keeps going. That's proven tech from Citizen, and it's known for reliability and low maintenance. For a GMT meant for travel or daily wear, that's exactly what you want. Accurate, dependable, and basically fuss-free. This isn't trying to be flashy or experimental. It's built for someone who wants a clean, tough GMT that handles travel, daily use, and the occasional oops, I banged it on the desk moment. If you want a GMT that's practical, readable, and built to last, this one quietly makes a strong case. No drama, just a solid tool watch that does its job. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.